Looking for the best cordless routers? In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 picks for power, precision, and portability. All product links are in the description box. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Makita HP Plunge Router. The Makita RP2301FC is a powerful and easy-to-use plunge router. It runs on a 15-amp motor and works at 9,000 to 22,000 RPM. This makes it great for smooth and clean cuts. It is perfect for people who work with wood, furniture, cabinets, or doors. This router has variable speed. That means you can change the speed to match your task. It also has electronic speed control, which keeps the speed steady even under heavy use. The soft start makes it start slowly, so it doesn't jerk. An electric brake stops the tool quickly after use. The plunge depth goes up to 2 3/4 inches, so it can cut deep when needed. It uses ball bearings for smooth and easy movement. The built-in fan and labyrinth design help keep dust out, which helps the tool last longer. The router has rubber handles that feel good in your hands. The 2-finger switch adds control and safety. A lock-on trigger lets you run the router without holding the switch the whole time. 2 LED lights help you see your work better. This tool also makes bit changes fast and easy. It has a shaft lock and uses both a 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch collets. The depth scale is easy to read. A chip deflector keeps dust away from your face. Its flat top lets it sit steady when you change bits. The Makita RP2301FC is great for woodworkers, cabinet makers, and contractors. It works well for both fine detail and heavy jobs. With strong power, smart features, and easy use, it's one of the best routers in its class. The box includes the router, a 1/4 inch collet, a 1/2 inch collet, a depth knob, and a wrench. Makita also offers a 1-year warranty and a 30-day return policy if you're not happy. In short, the Makita RP2301FC is a tough, smart, and user-friendly plunge router. It's a great choice for anyone serious about woodwork. Number 4. Avid Power HP Compact Router. The Avid Power Compact Router is a strong and easy-to-use tool for woodworkers. It runs on a 6.5 amp, 1.25 HP motor, giving smooth cuts without shaking too much. The motor has air vents to prevent overheating and comes with extra carbon brushes to help it last longer. This router has 6 variable speeds from 10,000 to 32,000 RPM. You can pick the right speed based on the material and task. It works well for detailed cutting, trimming, and shaping. Whether you're working on soft or hardwood, this tool can handle it. The tool has a rack and pinion system for accurate depth adjustments. The body is made of strong aluminum, and there's a quick lock lever to keep the depth steady while working. This helps make precise and clean cuts every time. It comes with many helpful parts: 5 router bits, 1/4 and 3/8 collets, an edge guide, a roller guide, and a wrench. You only need 1 wrench to change the bits, making it easy to switch tasks. The 65mm body fits both CNC machines and hand use. This router is also comfortable to hold. It has a rubber grip for better control and 2 built-in LED lights to brighten your work area. The 12.7-foot power cord gives you more room to move. A dust hood connects to a vacuum to help keep your workspace clean. In short, the Avid Power Compact Router is a great choice for both beginners and skilled users. It offers strong power, simple controls, and useful extras. If you need a reliable router for your woodworking projects, this one is a smart pick. Number 3. Bosch Palm Router. The Bosch GKF18V25N is a cordless palm router built for power, ease, and accuracy. It runs on an 18V battery and has a brushless motor that gives up to 1.39 peak horsepower. With variable speed control from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, it works well for both light and tough jobs. This router is small and lightweight, making it easy to hold and move. The design includes high and low grip spots, so it feels good in your hand whether you're routing vertically or sideways. It's a great tool for working on edges, surfaces, and fine details. For accuracy, the Bosch Colt has a depth adjustment system. You can make rough and fine changes as small as 1/64 inch. It can cut up to 1 11/32 inches deep, which gives you a lot of control for clean and even cuts. Changing bits is quick with the flip and release spindle lock. This saves time and keeps your workflow smooth. The router also works with older Bosch Colt accessories, so there's no need to buy new extras if you already have some. Dust control is easy with 2 vacuum adapters and a chip shield. These keep your work area cleaner and safer. The router also includes drop detection, which turns it off if it falls, and restart protection, which stops it from turning on by accident when changing batteries. You can use this router with other AMP share tools, thanks to battery sharing. Bosch also backs it with a 5-year limited warranty, giving peace of mind about its quality and durability. In short, the Bosch GKF-18V25N is a smart, powerful tool for any woodworker. It offers the freedom of cordless use, easy control, and pro-level features in a compact size. Number 2. Craftsman V20 Cordless Router. The Craftsman V20 CMCW400B is a cordless router made for smooth and accurate woodwork. It runs on an 18V battery and features a brushless motor. This motor gives strong power and a longer run time, making it great for both small and big jobs. This router has a variable speed dial with 7 speed levels, ranging from 16,000 to 30,000 RPM. This lets you choose the best speed for each task. You get more control for cutting, shaping, or trimming wood. Adjusting the depth is easy with the depth adjustment knob. It allows both macro, big, and micro, small, changes. This means you can make quick and accurate cuts every time. The router also has a fixed base, which helps you keep a steady hand. The LED light on the tool lights up your work area, helping you see better in dark spots. It also comes with an edge guide, which keeps your cuts straight and clean. A dust port adapter helps control dust, keeping your work area tidy. The slim design and light weight make this router easy to hold and move. It's built for comfort and control, even during long tasks. This makes it a good choice for both beginners and skilled woodworkers. In short, the Craftsman V20 router is a smart tool for woodworking. It's powerful, easy to use, and full of helpful features. If you want a cordless router that does the job right, this one is a solid pick. Number 1. dewalt 20V Max XR Cordless Router. The dewalt DCW600B is a cordless compact router that gives strong cutting power with the ease of no cord. It runs on a 20V battery and has a brushless motor, which means it lasts longer and works better. This tool is great for both small and big woodworking tasks. The variable speed dial lets you pick the right speed for your job. You can set it anywhere from slow to fast, making it easy to handle different materials. The soft start motor begins smoothly and keeps the speed steady while you cut, giving cleaner results. A depth adjustment ring makes changing the height quick and easy. You can set how deep the bit goes without wasting time. The release clamp also helps you switch bits and bases fast, so you can keep working with less delay. This router has dual LED lights that shine on your work area. This helps you see better, especially in dark or tight spaces. It also comes with an electronic brake, which stops the motor quickly after you turn it off. This adds safety and saves time. Even though it's small and light, the dewalt DCW600B is strong like a corded router. It gives you the freedom to move around without dragging a cord. It's a smart pick for woodworkers who want power, comfort, and cordless ease in one tool. In short, the dewalt 20V Max XR router is a powerful, easy-to-use router made for clean and accurate cuts. It's perfect for both hobbyists and pros looking for top performance in a compact design.